Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Spalding County in west central Georgia, southeastern Fayette County in north central Georgia, northeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, southeastern Coahuila County in west central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard,
Whoa.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Signal's good.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Zebulon, Brooks, Molina, Williamson, Youngsville, Harrelson, Rocky Mount, Hilltop, Lipsey Springs, Vaughan, Hollandville, Alvedon, Rover, Digby, Vatella, and Worcester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 4 p.m.